Hi, good evening. This is Mahendran Subramanian from Business Arena 365. Today we have with us a renowned Dr. Prabhu who is mainly into acupuncture. So he's been practicing for almost 36 years. He's from Goa. He's got his outlets in other cities also. Now he's branched out to Pune. So Dr. Prabhu, how are you doing?
Fine.
Okay. So just want to know how you got into this particular profession.
Actually, my other degree was engineering,
Okay.
and after engineering, while doing that also, I was suffering with from college time also. I was suffering with severe neck pain and all.
Okay.
And my father was to take me everywhere, every doctor to do treatment. And then every doctor at the end was to say nothing is there, it is just simple, just go with this life and all. And my father was to do my massage and all these things.
Oh.
And that's how my working in the schooling time or college time, I was to use my paper like this, study like this, and I was suffering severe pain and all. So once after I met one doctor, Chinese doctor, he just happened to come to India for some tour or something, and we just met each other, and he said it is for us, I'm an acupuncture doctor, and these are the things actually we can treat with needle.
Oh.
Medicine doesn't work for this, but can be treated with the needle. So if you want, I can do something for you. So we both were in the hotel. So he said, you come to my room. Then I just went there. Then he just started treating me. He done my pulse diagnosis, and he said that is the internal blockage in the energies. So I will try to relieve you. So my pain was continuous. There was pain continuous. So I said, what relief he will give me? But then he just started treating me and handwork, and I started getting some relief, which was seen there and there something is there. And he was not a simple doctor. He was renowned doctor like authority, and he just came in for some thing in India, and by luckily I met him. So then it makes me something is there. So what is the point of if our medical sciences say nothing is there, then how he gave me relief?
Right.
And without medicine, without anything, just putting needles, he done relief. So I was searching him about what to do, and then he said, don't worry, you just come to our country and get study. But it was very difficult that time, it is around 40 years back, you can say. It was very difficult to go to China. So it is a big story, but in short I will tell you, I went there, I studied there.
Oh, you went there?
Yeah, and then I have met, there was no colleges as such that time, but with privately I studied there and all. And then I brought this science to India. So bringing the science to India, I started practice when acupuncture word was not known to the public.
Okay.
So pricking a needle, anybody can treat something, was like a joke. So everybody was making joke of me when I said that we can treat with acupuncture, with needle and all. Then it was very difficult to start practice in Goa because it is Western culture. Goa is totally Western culture. Western medicine is only the medicine there. Even Ayurveda was not working more in Goa. So at that thing, how we can proceed with acupuncture? So then I started inviting some people who I know, and then it was such a big difficulty that somebody will tell me, doctor, I don't know any prick. So I will have, and how this works. And such needles and all, nothing I don't want. So they will just tell me like that. Then I will have to tell them full story for 2-3 hours about what is acupuncture science.
To prepare them.
3 hours minimum required to tell them what is science and how it works. Then he will tell me to prick yourself first. Then I will prick my needle to my hand and show him. Then he will allow one needle to his hand by just with big fear. Then every patient, then I started such patient, but it was very difficult to tell every person full science. Then I thought, why not to have camps like? Then I started in every area wise camp, talks, health talks. While giving health talks, I started showing them all presentation, and in that full, now it is difficult, but that time around 4,000 people were gathering when I am coming there. Starting were 100, 200 patients, and 4,000 people started coming when they came to know that something is differently done by one person is doing something in needle. So people were just to come and watch what is going on.
Like a miracle
In
for
miracle.
magic.
And then I started giving dramatic result to them. And then in the crowd, everybody I was picking one needle to remove their fear, because fear was too much. One needle for every people in the full gathering, around 4-5,000 also. Then I will pick one needle for everybody, and then they started coming out of this fear. Then they saw the result. Then I was calling any patient, please come, if anybody got any headache or anything, you just come. Then they were coming on the stage. Then I was preaching and showing the result there and there. So that started people that this is something like magic, something like you are like God. And then they started touching my feet and all, and then I was giving them free treatment. Then I started with a 10 rupee treatment, and that's how I started in every part of the village of Goa, then surrounding Belgaum, then Hubli, Hyderabad, Gujarat. So many areas I started flowing, then Bombay, then Delhi, every places I started going, camping. Even in your Maharashtra, almost all Marathwada, in Pardi Vaidnath, then Ambe Jogai, Pandharpur, all areas I started going and giving the demonstration and treating and free of cost. So that's how the acupuncture was very difficult to bring out. Now from that zero I brought acupuncture to hero. Now in Goa, if you see, everybody knows my hospital, my acupuncture, and before all the doctors were making fun of our acupuncture.
Now they must be sending you patients to you.
Now doctors are my patient. All the doctors from Apollo, medical colleges, you can see ample amount of videos on our website.
Wonderful.
Yeah, so this is how the acupuncture has grown in Goa.
I think you're not just popular in Goa and around, but you're also internationally.
Yeah, because everywhere people are suffering, and when my website was the first website, when internet we were getting 4 MB space, that time I was given 25 MB space, and that is our small videos, first video website you can say.
When was that?
Around I think so in 1992, 93 at that
that time.
Yeah, I got those videos also till now. So that was getting flown, because now there are a lot of things coming up in Google, but that time very few things were there. So people were attracted from abroad also. Then people started coming from abroad taking treatment, and then all doctors from abroad, whenever the case is difficult, they will refer to Goa.
They come to.
Yeah, and now my name in Goa is like that. When anything is impossible, needle can make it possible. Yeah.
That's a caption.
When nothing works, Dr. Prabhu's needle works. This is how the titles comes in the newspaper and all. Yeah.
Right.
So these are how the acupuncture started, and we started handling the cases.
So nice. So, how come you came to Pune now? Pune is a new place for you.
Actually, Pune is Maharashtra is my loving place. I got my hospital also in Shirdi. I have done lot of charity work also in Shirdi and all.
Right.
And even Bombay, I had one in hospital in Kandivali, then again hospital in this Lokhandwala and all. So Pune people were not able to come more in Goa, because there were very few flights to come from Pune to Goa, and Pune people were always very busy in their different life, and always asking me, those who are coming, even big, even the director of town planning and all my patients. So they were always asking me, doctor, you come here for 10 days. Instead of everybody coming from Pune to Goa for 10 days, here 10 days is a course. For us, it is 10 days getting leave is very difficult. IT sector people got all back problem, neck problem, then depression problem, overload. Because of that, they got also what we say stress level, insomnia. So they are coming to Goa for treatment. So they started asking me, doctor, why you are not coming to Pune? So that we can save our time.
IT hub is here.
Yeah. And also business people who are here, they also cannot come to Goa regularly for 10 days. So then we decided, okay, after so many years of continuous request, this year we thought, okay, I will come and start centering.
Yeah, it's a good place. You definitely do well here also.
Yeah, and we have taken the place in Viman Nagar so that I can fly anytime to Goa. We did just 2-3 kilometers from here.
Yes. And it's a nice location.
Yeah.
Well connected. So what do you have to say for people, sir, to how to keep good health?
Yeah, important thing is maintaining our health required maintaining our stomach. Important is what we put in the stomach. Stomach is not dustbin, first of all. Stomach is not dustbin. Whenever you go to any hotels and all, everybody try to finish the plate or all the dishes, put it in and like in the stomach like dustbin. So because of that, stomach become a problem. When stomach is problem, then every health gets the problem.
Right.
And there are lot of things, stress level. Everybody is in stress level, trying to do lot of things. They are not keeping themselves cool. That makes again the health problem. Second problems for your IT sectors are the spine problem because of they are using computer, posture is not correct. They will have to go day night for that. They should take in between breaks and timely they should take our treatment so that they will get the relaxation.
Yeah.
And we are handling all the cases which are impossible first of all. We are treating slip disc problem without surgery.
Oh my God.
Yeah, without surgery, patients who are treated with me around 27 years back or 30 years back, till today they are living normal life. It is not also temporary treatment. In our hospital, we do research treatment, our own research treatment, and the patient once treated is almost totally cured. He never comes as a patient.
No medicine.
Yeah, you can, and if you feel like that, you can go through our website. There is one tab. In that tab, you will find the testimonials. In that testimonials, I have one tab now, new included tab, that is no relapse. So people had got doubt after getting the relief, it will come again and again, and we'll have to go on coming treatment for years together like this. No. Once if you take our recommended courses of treatment, then there is no need, and you can see our videos on the internet when no lapse is there. Then you can find the people are coming from abroad, again they come to meet me, they are totally fit and fine. I will give you one simple example. One Carl Coelho, he was in Japan. He was having the severe problem of slip disc. He was almost on bedridden. He went around all the doctors abroad, even he went to America and all, but nothing was getting any changes in his life.
No relief at all.
Yeah, then he came to Goa, again he went to different hospital in India, but still he was not getting any relief. And then he was 12 years on the bed with the crying pain.
12 years?
Yeah, then he came to me and I said, why you are worried? I will make you normal. He said, doctor, I have just come to give me only relief on the bed. I don't want to walk. I have so many years I am just crawling and on the bed. But in bed what I am getting pain, if you stop that pain, I will never forget you in my life. I said, why you are worried about that? I will make you walk.
Really?
Yeah. So he said, doctor, that is not my expectation. We started his treatment, but within just 3 months time, he came with the car to Nagpur. He is driving from Goa to Nagpur, and he has not told me because actually I never allowed them to drive.
Right.
But on that day when my birthday was there, on 4th February, and there is one group gathering, all people are coming. So he took my mic, doctor, I want to say something. And then if you want, you will not shout on me, I will want to tell something. I said, just you can. He told me, doctor, I just to see how much I am fit, I just traveled from here, Goa to Nagpur and came back, but nothing happened, I am normal. So I said, but you should not do because your still treatment is half the way. The treatment is going on. Then he completed 60 sittings. We are giving mostly 60 sittings for the slip disc problem so that you get internally totally developed. But he took 100 sittings. Even after he got 30 sittings, he got almost total normal. He took 100 sittings. So again and again, why you are continuing? You are fit now. Why you want to continue? Doctor, you don't worry. I am paying for my health. Okay? And what is there for you? You just continue my treatment. So I was not knowing why he is taking. But his aim was different. He wanted to do what he was doing before. So he went from here to Japan. He was brought one stretcher before.
Oh my God.
And while going, he went, and all his friends saw him dancing, and they went to Thailand where they were doing the rock climbing. He done rock climbing there.
Amazing, amazing.
And everybody, he said, got tired, but I was fresh and I was normal. Then he came, then he was biker. So he wanted to start his group again. So he started his biking and he went from Goa to Kathmandu, 8,000 kilometer riding a bike, heavy bike. And then he published his write-up on the paper, thanks to Dr. Prabhu, that my dream got success. There is not stopped. After that, he has done in Guinness record 1 lakh kilometer continuous riding of bike, and then he was
My
being
goodness. What a record.
yeah, and then he was going everywhere. There was felicitation every countries, every place, and everybody he was telling on the record that this everything was possible only because of Dr. Prabhu. So all write-ups, whatever is published, his name
Everywhere.
Dr. Prabhu always he keeps in there. You understand? Now till now for last so many years, almost this is 2010 till now 14 years he is living normal life. Is totally connected with me. So there are lot of things like so such a people are totally normal. Okay, you know the Mahesh Gauri was a football player.
Yeah.
He was also having
I
disqualified.
saw a testimony.
Yeah, you have seen his testimonial. So he got treated with me, started playing internationally. So there are a lot of cases which we have seen. We got so many patients of sleep disease who are doing his all hard works. You understand? So this is how the acupuncture of our hospital is different from even China. China also they do symptomatic relief.
Okay.
Temporary relief, they will give some sitting, you will get relief, and then you are going then again repeated treatment for lifetime. They are going with the treatments.
Wow.
But
Really?
what we have done research is different level. We give it particular time, you come for that particular time, then nothing, finish.
Over.
Then you are over. So there are 10,000 video records with me, and around 3 to 4,000 I think so it is on YouTube also.
YouTube also.
Testimonials, and all my patients are devotee. So they give their testimonial on their own, and even you can see the testimonials like so many ministers. You know,
Yeah,
the
I've
health
seen
minister,
that.
you have seen.
Yeah.
Yeah, then Ayush
Chief
minister,
Minister,
chief
Deputy Chief
minister,
Minister.
all are my patients. One Manohar Parrikar is my patient, health minister, Ayush minister is my patient. So there are all in Goa almost 80% my old ministers and politicians are my patient. And now all doctors from Apollo medical colleges and all you can see videos, they are all also
Yeah,
coming for my
treating.
treatment. Yeah. So this is how the success stories of my acupuncture, which was come from zero, we brought acupuncture to such a level
Very interesting,
when nothing
very
works,
interesting.
our acupuncture works.
Very interesting, sir.
Yeah.
So that was nice talking to you, sir. And I hope, I'm sure a lot of Punekars will come to you now.
Yeah,
You're
sure.
sitting in a IT hub close by.
Mhm.
So you'll definitely get.
Only the people awareness should be done,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
people should know what is acupuncture, actual acupuncture, because there are a lot of people now where I met in these days. What I have seen that they are comparing acupuncture with physiotherapy, acupuncture with massage.
Lack of knowledge.
Yeah, because they don't know what is the level of acupuncture.
So what do you have to say to Punekars?
Yeah, so people should open their mind. Don't think only the medicine will work, only this physiotherapy works or acupuncture, not low level acupuncture. It is a own science, totally one complete science of body. And it is not new science, it is around 5,000 years old science.
It's very ancient actually.
Very ancient. Whereas allopathy is new
Yeah,
one.
just
Whereas
before
this science
allopathy.
is from years. And no side effect, no medicine, no surgery, no risk.
Right.
Simple example of knee I am telling you. Lot of people from Pune, we handle the cases in Goa. They are coming with a knee problem. So knee osteoarthritis, where worn out knee.
Yeah.
Then they have to replace knee.
Yeah.
There is no need of replacement of knee. I will give you my example of my mother, leave about others. You can see hundreds of cases, videos, testimonials on the website. Okay, but my mother's case, when I was in college and school level, I was seeing my mother was going with a crying pain with the knee and heel pain. You know, and if we were having joint family and lot of people were with us, my relatives were staying in my house and going for schooling because our native place were very much separated from the main cities. So they were coming and staying. So my mother was doing very hard work and she was going with the pain. So I was always crying with her about her pain. And then when I came from China, I started acupuncture. I first started treatment for my mother.
Okay, that's nice.
Now 37 years or 36 years now. She is living normal life. Now she is 94 years age and she is walking.
Wow.
She is walking.
Right.
She came here. In her hand I have done opening of this hospital. You understand? So everybody saw how she was walking and standing and everything.
94 years.
94 years, and she is walking normal. We have taken recent X-ray of her, and knee joint is such a developed one that there is gap like young age.
Oh,
There is no worn out which was there when they were starting. Totally it was worn out. So she was getting pains, she cannot walk. Now her joint, if you see, there is a gap. That shows your cartilage, everything can develop by your own body. We are not putting any medicine inside. We start your body to work to develop your things. You understand? So these are the things like osteoarthritis problem, frozen shoulder problem. It comes immediately. That is also one more important thing I want to tell people. Don't come later stage. Make acupuncture and start treatment. Because after doing everything, when you come to our hospital, we treat you. Then why not come first?
right.
Because if you got frozen shoulder,
Yeah.
you come immediately within 2-3 sittings, or sometimes one sitting also we make it normal when you are coming in the pain. When it is totally frozen, your tissues, everything stiff, and when everything is over, lot of toxics, lot of things tried, and when it is more painful you are coming, then it requires time to develop.
More time.
One simple thing I am telling people, that when tree dies, leaves fall. You put the water immediately, the leaves comes immediately. When you come with after trees, leaves are fallen, then branches are dried up and full trunk is dry, total tree is dry. When you are coming to us, from there also we are trying to bring your tree back, but you don't know how much time it will take, then how much it is possible. But sometimes that wood also can get the leaves that everybody sees. So like that cases also we handle, where you can see totally thrown out cases. You go to research tab in our website, you will find all the difficult research cases in that.
Oh.
Then you will find the patient with the broken spine.
Broken spine.
Broken spine. You see one patient, Rukmini Shirodkar from Mapsas, he is actually having the hotel and all. And she fell on the staircase and she got the spine broken. 2 years she was crying on the bed, and doctors were giving morphine injection, so many things to give her relief. And all family members were also crying with her when they come from their job and all, and they crying herself, and they were always in tension for 2 years. They brought that case to me. I said it is impossible. But the faith is so much in Goa on me, they forced me to take case. Then we take as a research case, register as a research difficult case, and we took that case.
Okay.
After the treatment, you can see the videos are available of Rukmini Shirodkar on the website. She went to Singapore, Malaysia and all tour, because she got so much normal, all the happiness came in the house, and they said, doctor, can we go? I said, if you want you can go. And they went to Singapore, Malaysia, Pattaya, all tour, and they came back and she lived good life. So such difficult cases we handle.
So once said and done, they should come to you
Yeah.
immediately.
Yeah.
That was nice talking to you, doctor.
Thank you.
Thanks for giving me time, doctor.
Okay.
Nice. So I hope this will help my viewers to
Yeah.
understand.
Surely.
Please do like, subscribe, and watch.